This hair growth spray has helped my hair retain length and grow 2 times longer. I used to struggle with hair growth, but with this, it has helped me. I'm going to be showing you what I use to revive my hair from looking very dry and dull to looking very wet and moisturized, and even growing out my hair, retaining length in very few minutes. The psalm of the day is: You are my strength. I sing praise to you. You, God, are my fortress, my God on whom I can rely. That's from Psalm 59, verse 17. NIV. I'm going to be using three things: fenugreek seeds, also called meti. I'm also going to be using black seeds, also called Kalonji seeds. They are quite useful and very, very, very important and beneficial for hair growth. I'm just going to be scooping some into the bowl. You want to make sure to get a clean bowl for this. Yes, do not use a dirty bowl. Lastly is my all-time favorite, rosemary. Yes, you can actually use the fresh one also, but I have the dry ones in my house, so that's what I'm using. I'm transferring this into a clean bowl also, and I'm going to be using this bowl for this mixture. I'm adding some water, hot water to be precise, because I cannot wait. If you have all the time, you can do this overnight. Use a normal room temperature water, store it and cover it. The next day you're still going to have your hair growth spray, but hot water also gives a faster reaction. So I use hot water. I just cover it up for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can see that I'm touching the fenugreek seeds. The fenugreek seeds are like the hardest kind of seeds among all your Ayurvedic herbs. So if the fenugreek seeds can be melted so fast, then it means you are good to go. Next, I'm going to be straining the mixture into an empty bowl, a clean bowl. Also, I'm using a cheesecloth. You can use a mesh strainer for this also. This is what it's looking like. You can see how soft the fenugreek seeds are. They can also be mashed at this point, so it means that the moisture has been gotten from the seeds. Yes, it means that we've gotten all the nutrients from the seeds. Even the black seeds that is quite tough is also very soft at this point, and you can see how the color of the mixture has changed. The hair growth spray is now looking different, unlike before that the water was looking clear and clean. Now it's looking darker, so it means that your herbs have been infused into the water. The next thing you're going to do is to transfer it into a spray bottle, because you want to start using it now. But wait, first of all, you have to make sure that this stuff is quite cold and not hot, so that it won't damage your scalp. I'm also going to be telling you the benefits of these seeds, because I know you're wondering what are their uses and why are they very important. So just make sure to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be telling you the benefits of the seeds and why they are important for this hair growth. This is the quantity that I got from my small spray bottle, and this is the remaining one that I'm going to be using for my after rinse, after my wash day. Okay, so I'm using this spray as a pre-poo because my hair is dry. And if you notice, the last video I posted on my channel is a video where I installed this hair, and I've been carrying this hair for 3 weeks now as at the time of making this video. So this is what I've been using every wash day. I pre-poo with a DIY hair growth spray, then I proceed to do my wash day. Then I also use the spray also as an after rinse. Okay, I've been doing this for 3 weeks consistently. I want to do this for 7 weeks, like I said in the last video, and see how much length I will retain. Look at the growth I have had so far. They're quite long. 3 weeks hair growth, and it is long. Honestly, I was wild. Okay, let me not just even lie, I was wild. Even though this is my first time of doing this kind of challenge, but I was wild. So now that we've done length check, I'm just gonna proceed to get my mixture and start spraying it all around my hair. I'm going to make sure that I spray until my hair gets soaked with the mixture, like it gets soaked with the spray, and you guys are going to see what I'm going to be doing. So make sure to continue watching this video, because at this point I'm going to be telling you the benefit of the herbs that I am using in this video. So stay tuned and continue watching me. Okay, so the first herb I'll be talking about is the fenugreek herb, which is also called meti. Fenugreek is one of the best natural remedies for hair growth because of its unique nutritional profile, which is very true. It contains mucilage, protein, iron, and nicotine acid, which is very important for helping to reduce hair shedding. Okay, so the top benefits of fenugreek are: it stops breakage and split ends, it thickens the hair, it hydrates dry hair, which is one of the reasons why I'm using it today. It soothes the scalp, which is very true. It is very mild on the scalp. It strengthens from the roots. Fenugreek alone is powerful, but imagine you combining it with other herbs. It's going to be very, very potent. The next one I'm going to be talking about is the Kalonji, which is the black seeds that you saw earlier. They are very small, but they are very powerful. It is also called Nigella sativa. I think that's the botanical name. Okay, it is used. It has been used for over 2,000 years, and it is known as the seed that cures everything except death. I'm not kidding you. But for hair specifically, it delivers some amazing benefits, which are accelerating hair growth. It fights dandruff and scalp conditions. It prevents premature graying. It strengthens weak roots. It adds shines and smoothness. So imagine what will happen when you combine it with fenugreek. The last herb, which is rosemary, is quite popular. I know that all of us know rosemary because we use it in our kitchen, we use it for our tea, we use it for almost everything. Okay, so rosemary can be effective as minoxidil, which is a medical hair growth treatment but without the side effects. So yes, some of these herbs have side effects. So you want to make sure to do a patch test on your hands to see if it will react first of all before you use it on your scalp. Okay, it reduces shedding, it boosts blood circulation to the scalp, which is one of the reasons why I love it. It thickens hair, it fights itchy, flaky scalp, it improves shine and smoothness. So imagine us combining all these three and what we'll have. Okay, we're going to have a potent hair growth spray. Now I'm done soaking all that mixture into my hair. I'm just going to go around to massage it. Massaging is a very important step in hair growth or retaining length because it just helps to circulate the blood and take it all around your head. So you want to make sure to massage for the next 2 minutes to get all that. So look at how soft and fluffy my hair is looking now. I'm just going to tie it round and then cover it for 20 to 30 minutes. You can even leave it for more than that if it doesn't react on you. Okay, so one thing about this spray is that you can't keep it just like that. You have to store it in the refrigerator for it can last up to 7 days in the refrigerator, and then you can keep using it as a DIY daily hair growth spray, or you can just use it as an after rinse hair growth spray. So after 30 minutes I'm going to be washing the hair, and I'm also going to be rinsing out with the remaining ones that I did not get into the spray bottle. That's all for it. And if you do this every week, like every wash day, trust me, your hair is going to thank you. Thank you so much for watching at this point. Please girls, subscribe to the channel, support me, like this video, share this video to other girls out there, and drop a comment for me in the comment section. Happy Christmas in advance. I cannot wait to show you the hairstyles that I have for you for the Christmas season. Thank you so much for your support so far throughout this year. I really appreciate, and I will see you in the next one. Bye darlings.